this tutorial I will show you that how can recover permanently deleted text SMS on Android in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So if I open up my messages, select these sum of messages and delete it from here. To recover this permanently deleted text SMS, what you can do is open up your Play Store and search for SMS backup and restore. You have to open it and install it from here. After installing this, it will show you this open option. Open it. After opening this, on the left upper side, it will show you these three lines. Click here and then it will show you this restore button. Click on that, and the right bottom side you'll find here this restore option. Click here to restore and then simply confirm it. You can select your messages app from here. This messages app will be selected. You have to select this SMS backup and restore and click on this set as default. After doing this, it will start restoring your messages. Here it will show you the information about restores like call logs and messages. Close it from here, check this and click OK. Click on this yes and simply close it. Then if you open up your messages, here it will show you this set default SMS app. Click here and select messages again. Select set as default and if you refresh it, so here are the messages that we have just successfully recovered by just downloading the app. So that's how you can recover permanently deleted text SMS on Android in just few easy steps.